Guys, welcome back to the channel, man. I'm over here at Mom's. Y'all might have seen on a couple of YouTube shorts I did. We've been working over there on our pond bank, man. We had the Mini X out here. She had willows all around the pond bank, man, and they're super invasive and just kind of taking over the bank. They'll make your pond leak and everything else. So she's been wanting me to come and get rid of those willows for a long time. And we had the Mini X on another job. So we got it for one more day on the rental, came over here, ripped all those willows out of the ground, man. We got some gigantic root balls we got to deal with today. Took Mini X back, went and got the skid steer. Neil's over there right now on the skid steer. We're gonna clean up this pond bank, get it dressed up. Mom's got the burn pile already going. It's right there, man. That was the original burn pile, but we're gonna have a giant one over here by the pond bank, man. Normally I wouldn't film over here at Mom's, but Mom don't care, man. Mom's been homesteading since before homesteading was even cool, you know what I mean? Also got my daughter Lucy here today. She's gonna be playing down in the woods with my niece. They got some special trees picked out. They're hanging a swing and stuff down there today. So we got a lot going on here at Mom's, man. Glad you guys are here, but I gotta get to work. So far, so good, man. We got about 4 or 5 more of these left to do. I guess I'm gonna chain up Big Boy over here, see what happens. right, Neil's got that going good, man. We just we got to push those root balls down in the corner, man. Mom's got this little section. It's all growed up. She doesn't do anything with it, so we're just gonna kind of out of sight, out of mind, you know what I'm saying? But y'all have got to check this out, man. I think we can make that old truck bed trailer nice. What do y'all think? Pull that bed off, redo it, paint it, put a new wooden bed in the bottom of it, man. I think it'll look sweet. We're about to finish up here, man. Neil's over there working at one other little spot for Mom. I'm gonna go down here and move some of these tree branches that I just got done cutting up whenever we were moving out that truck bed trailer. And we're gonna load up this skid steer and get on out of here, man. Glad you guys are still here. We're not quite done yet. Okay. Guys, thanks for watching the video, man. I'm here with my mom. We pretty much got everything done. We got to get this piece of rental equipment back. But Mom, it looks a lot better, man.
Oh man,
what do you
I
think?
couldn't have done it without you.
What do you think? 2 days?
I love it. Thank you so much. I have a pond again.
Yeah, man, you could hardly even see the pond, man. It was so grown up. We've been trying to do that for a long time. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
But that's it for this one, man. We got a couple days worth of work done out here at Mom's. And we really appreciate y'all watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you liked any part of the video, give us a great big huge thumbs up like, man.
Bye.
And if you got anything to say, just drop it right there in the comments, man. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch y'all on the next video. Peace!
Bye!
Check that out, man. Even Mom has an old truck camper that she doesn't know what to do with. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys, lunch was really good, man. Had ham and cheese, had some chips and stuff. Mom fed us good. And we're gonna grab this chain and go over there to where that old truck bed camper is. I'm just gonna grab this chain, go over there where that, I'm just gonna grab this chain, go over there where that truck bed trailer is, and we're gonna try to pull that thing out of the woods with the skid steer before we get out of here. Guys, that root ball right there ain't no joke. You know what I'm saying? It is big. It's almost as big as a skid steer, you know what I'm saying? Guys, welcome back to the channel, man. I'm over here at Mom's. Y'all might have seen on a couple of YouTube shorts I did. We've been working over there on our pond bank, man. We had the Mini X out here. Shed willows all the way around the whole pond bank, man. They're really big. Shed willows all around the pond bank, man. And they're super invasive and just kind of taking over the bank. They'll make your pond leak. They'll make your pond leak and everything else. Right now I'm at my mom's again. We were working on her pond bank. I got to get the Mini X back to the rental place, but she's got this old tree that's been down for a long time, man. So I'm gonna cut it up, put it on the burn pile before I take this Mini X back, man. Glad you guys are here.